with newbietrader.com, and this is your daily wrap-up video for Wednesday, January 28th, 2015. Today was FOMC day, and there was a lot of activity going on in the market. As most of you know, trading on FOMC day usually consists of an early morning move, a lot of nothing, and then the fireworks come out after the FOMC announcement. Today was a little bit different than what we normally expect. Today started out, we had that still kind of range-bound, nothing market initially, but there were some key levels on the S&P, and ultimately we broke down those levels late morning, and the market actually started to make a move into the lunchtime dead zone. From the dead zone into the announcement, it got into the same old trading, and then finally after the announcement, things really started to pick up. So what we ended up with was $1,400 today, and we did that on a total of 24 trades, and there was a lot of chop early on. And again, FOMC day is one of those days that you really don't do a whole lot of trading until after the announcement, but for this video I went ahead and marked every trade. You can see you started off behind the 8-ball. You were able to basically hold your head above water most of the morning. I mean, it was back and forth. There was some winning trades, there was some losing trades, but heading into the lunchtime dead zone, we were just slightly above water. You can see, you know, there's a $50 win, a $20 win, a $100 loss, a $30 win. So it was just a lot of just not great trading. Here you can see the breakdown move. Things started to go in our favor. Unfortunately, this $30 win was right before the breakdown, and we didn't get another signal to catch the big move, and that's just how trading goes sometimes. But then we kind of got into a little bit of that pre-market, our lunchtime trading. There was a few trades in there that worked out, a few that lost. But then if you notice here after 2 o'clock, and then the market was kind of doing a little range-bound trading until the announcement, and then after the announcement, right leading up to a $180 loss. But then the news came out and the market starts moving, and we obviously like volatility, and you can see we just did a slam dunk for the end of the day. 230, 250, a little bit of bounce, continuation or resumption of trend, 320, 90, 240, 290, 210 with a couple of basically scratch trades in there, and then a bounce into the close. So it ended up being a great day, and if you followed our advice and waited until after the FOMC before you really started getting involved, you had a fantastic day. But up until that, you made a little bit, but you basically just held your head above water for the majority of the day until after the meeting. So another great day for us. We had a few more trades than normal, and again, I think that's based on the fact that, you know, we're just in that FOMC pre-market type stuff. But we ended up with 24 trades today for $1,400 on the Russell. Now, this plan applies to the Russell. It also applies to the Dow and NASDAQ. If you would like to learn more about what we're doing here in our simple 5-step plan, go over to newbie-trader.com/Russell, and we'll be sure to hook you up with our trading plan and give you access into our live trading room so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks, and make it a great day.